Weather in cold climate countries is generally windy, rainy, snowy, cold, with just a dash of sunlight and a combination of that. So socks, as many socks as you can. Cotton, wool, but make sure they're thick. Cotton undershirts are something you're going to be wearing a lot of the time. I regularly wear and wash these under sweaters. Finally, corduroy for the indoors. For the outdoors, anything that is quick dry, windproof. Very important, outer layer should be windproof. Or one really, really good jacket is a great thing to have.
This is beautiful weather and it's 6 degrees. Anything below 10, I would advise 3 layers.
Make sure you pack a few sweaters. Most of the things you can actually buy right here and they're far cheaper and more fashionable if we're being honest. There you have it. That's what you need in your suitcase. What you should be wearing on a rainy day.